Okay friends, so in our previous video we have created this navigation drawer using navigation drawer activity. Okay, but this we have created using menu resource file, that is this is the group items and this is simple menu below it. Now what if we want to customize our this navigation view? If we want to use our custom layout, then what we can do? So for that we have to create our own custom layout for navigation drawer. So let's just first create XML layout for our navigation view, and then I will show you that how we can add that layout in this navigation drawer or in this navigation view. Okay, so let's first create XML layout for that. Here in this our project structure, in resource file, in layout folder, let's create one our custom layout for navigation drawer. My navigation layout. Okay, and root tag will be relative layout, and so we have to pass in small letter our layout name. So my navigation layout, let's create our own navigation layout. So here let's customize our layout using list view. So first let's add our header section. So I am just adding relative layout for our header, and for that what we can do, we can give width match parent and height is wrap content we can give. Okay, in this we can add one image view here. Width is match parent and height is 250 dp we can give. Okay, and we can put any images or id is not required because okay, so this is just, I'm just creating custom layout to add it inside our navigation view. So this is the list view. Okay, and it's match parent, height is match parent, but let make it below this image view, or let make this linear layout, orientation vertical. Okay, so this is our list view which is showing over here. Okay, let's give id list view menu items. Okay, now in our activity file what we can do, instead of using this menu resource, what we can do, let's comment first this two properties, that is header layout and menu. I'm just commenting it over here. Okay, now to add custom layout in our navigation view, what we can do, we have to add our layout here. So I'm just using include tag and including my layout. Layout name is @layout. What we have given, my navigation layout. Okay, so that's all. Now okay, you can see this is our navigation layout and we have customized it through our own XML. Now here in activity we can also use our controls which is inside our layout. So let's manage list view, private list view, menu items. Okay, let me first find view by id it. So I'm just doing in on create. You can, if you want to create separate method, then you can create find views method. but to show just demos, I am just doing it here. Okay, LV menu items. Now let's create one string array list to bind data in our list view. So I am just taking one array list of strings. That is m array list menu items. Okay, let me initialize it over here. So m array list menu items is equal to new arrow list. Okay, now let me add some string values in this array list. Okay, and that we will include in our. So first of all, the menu item is about us. Okay, you can use string resources to add items in array list. Okay, so this is about us and contact us, and the next is branches, the next is visit on a map. So I am just adding different menu items over here, so it will look like our custom navigation drawer, and simply log out. Okay, so this is done. Now let's create one array adapter over here to bind data in our list view. So I'm just taking array adapter in this onCreate method. Array adapter of type string, is equal to new array adapter. Okay, and here we have to pass string. Now here in adapter, what we have to pass? First thing to pass is main activity.this, that is the context. Okay, the second thing we have to pass is layout, android.r.layout.simple simple list item 1, and we have to pass collection, that means our array list. Okay, and let's set this adapter in our list view. So list view dot set adapter, that is our adapter. Okay, this is done. So in this way we have created our custom. Now let's item click dot set on item click listener new on item click listener. Okay, let's just display toast over here. Okay, just displaying that selected items and closing drawer. So we have to close drawer here, and drawer dot close drawer gravity compact dot start. Okay, that's fine. So in this way we can create our custom navigation row. Let's run and check how it is displaying. Okay, so here is the output, and we have changed the layout of this navigation drawer. This is image view and this is menu items. Now we can perform any action on item click. So we have just displayed toast. So this is about us and this is contact us. Okay, same way we can do actions as per our requirement. So this tutorial is for how we can customize our navigation drawer. So if anybody miss of watching my previous videos, that is navigation drawer in Android, okay, then he or she can go for it and then come to this video. Okay, so that's all about navigation drawer in Android.